Tonight's matchup, it's the Boston Celtics versus the Los Angeles Lakers. Here's the tip. Get up or get out the way. Bird, and it's pure! Oop, here it is! Pancakes for everyone! Nice pass there. Head fake. Pass the hot sauce. Takes his pocket. Oh, homie, don't play that. From long range, I am the Rainmaker, and I'm going to ride you hard and put you away wet. Shake and bake. McHale for two. Drains the shot. Leaping, and he hits the floor like Evel Knievel. Ow! Say goodbye to your coccyx. Here's Bird. Clings the three off the rim. Bird, like a big bass spoon, they always bite on the pump. He just got his pocket picked. McHale, Larry Legend, for three. Oh, snap! Larry Legend flips the three ball up behind the arc. Comes up with the rebound. With the touch. There's no school like the old school. And they keep the ball moving. Oh, fancy pants. Blocked. McHale. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Give it to me one time. Huh. And the doctor just told him to turn his head and cough. Come on, a little fire, Scarecrow. And now he's lost the ball. Come on, I barely touched you. To Magic. And he hits the three. Knocks it loose. Layup. And the goaltending sound goes off. Bird. The menage a trois. My, oh my. Magic. He squares. I love it when you call me Big Papa. In the lane. Get out of my house. Fake. Puts it up for three. No good. McHale. There's an easy jam for two. That's putting a spin on things. He's going to pump fake this guy to dunks it. Long three. Off target. We have played one, so hold on. We'll be right back. Pretty shot. And the soft rim is good to him. Spinning like a fly with one wing. To Bird. And if you think about it, you might blow it. Can't hit the three. Moving the ball around. Bird's found his touch. And he spins away from the defender. Clean swish from three-point land. Passes off. Gets the long two. Drains it. Sends him to the floor. Oh, the embarrassment of projectile dysfunction. Poked away by his man, the ball is loose. With the pump fake. Misses the three. Flips it up at the rim. That's an easy two. Bird fires. Nothing but net. And he gets off a hook shot. Oops! He did it again. Moving the ball nicely. The pump fake, like a big bass spoon, they always bite. Puts it up. Another alley-oop. And these guys are just about to catch fire. Dish. From outside. And he's like a storm cloud bringing the rain. He's pushed back. Squares up and fires the three. Makes it look easy. To Larry Legend. We have 1 minute to play here in the second quarter. I've fallen and I can't get up. Won't go. Johnson sent that one back. Loses control of it. Johnson. Here's the layup with the shot. It's getting awfully hot in here all of a sudden. Somebody open a window. Pass. The ball is knocked loose. From the three-point, Larry Bird with the SPF 50 shot block at the rim and gets the layup to go. McHale with 10 points. Say, why don't you watch where you're going, Mac? To Magic. Is that all you got? No, seriously. Is that it? And lets it go at the buzzer. And that puts the boom in shakalaka. And so the buzzer sounds here, ending the first half. The Celtics up by 2. And here we go to start the third. Bird. Oh, my. Swishes the bomb from downtown. Call him Spinbag, because he just sailed right. Welcome to the block party. Help yourself. And that's goaltending. Easy call there. Dishes it off. Wanted ankles to audition for casting call. He's hitting his groove. Looking for the open man. Got that one. Want to try again? Puts up the pass. The bigger the oop, the bigger the flush. Larry Legend. Don't come in here with that. I will smack that into next Wednesday. Layup opportunity, showing signs of life. And he knocks the ball loose. Loses it. Magic for 3. Bird finds room, the runner on the way. Oh, he had a good look at the 3 and nails it. He's breaking him down. Oop attempt. And he just puts a boom in his shakalaka. Oh, homie, don't play that. And he's got to protect the ball better. Head fake. Oh, nice pass there. Johnson takes off. Jams it home. Head fake. Bird for the tray. And he didn't have himself set. And that one misses. And he can't hold on to the ball. Moving the ball around. 1 minute remaining here in the third quarter. Dishes it. And he flips the rock over. Snaps the bottom of the net. He is feeling it. Up for grabs. Upstairs. Larry Legend. And he has begun to heat up big time now. Loses the ball. Swings the ball over. Amazing! Now he's getting fancy. Hook shot. Here's your invite to the block party. It's a 2 to the tally. To Bird. For 2. And you have got to play this guy tight. Oh, fancy move. At the buzzer. Say hello to the hand and goodbye to your shot. So that's the end of the third quarter. Larry Legend from three-point tower. He's heating up. That's a pretty move. You can talk to the hand because the jam ain't happening. Amazing! Whoa. Little floater on the way, and he misses that one. Made you flinch. Here, let me give you some of this. Bird with great athleticism. Hold on. Up high. Please stop shooting. The backboard has feelings too. Here's Larry Legend. This guy was open when he walked in the gym. Magic leaping, jump to the hand because the jam ain't happening. When he pump fakes you, jump fake him back. To the open man. Swish! Getting a little rough down there. To Larry Legend. Up it goes. And he got good position. That was an easy one for him. Fancy move! To McHale. Get that out of here! To Bird. And this one from behind the stripe. And like a storm cloud, he brings the rain from 3. Under 1 minute to go. You can do it! Unless your nerve gets you and you blow it. Now bring home Larry Legend with the great leap. Throws up the bomb from long range. Nothing but net. And he gets muscled to the floor, but he holds on to the ball. Here's Bird. And he has trouble finding the range as that 3 misses the mark. Taking off. Boom! And they make the extra pass. And he swishes that one through cleanly. With the soft touch in the lane. Need more extension on your arm. Try dunk it all. McHale. Kaboom! Oh, you must be joking me, fella. You promised to take this shot in sickness and in health till you both shall part?